Good morning, everyone. Today's Sunday, December 30th, and this is the aftermath of that storm. Looks like we might have got on the low side here. I'd say maybe 3 inches. So, gotta get out there and get the snowblower going. It's already down to 26 degrees. So there's some frigid air coming in after the storm. Oh man, it's freezing. Oh, looks like I'd have to warm up the greenhouse. Hopefully that snow's just gonna slide off when the sun hits it. Well, let me get out there. Well, before I go out there, I'm gonna try these cleats. They've got kind of good reviews on Amazon, better than others. And they just stretch onto your boots or shoes. You don't want to wear these in the house. Let's see how these work. I don't know if it's easier to put them on first, or I thought I'd put my shoe on first. These are large, and these going pretty good. Yeah, those are gonna work out. I don't want to wear them inside though. I'll put them on outside now that I think about it. So that'll help me from slipping on any black ice in the driveway. So let's see how much snow we have. That looks like a little less than 4 inches. So that's not that bad. So there's like slush underneath this. I wonder if it turned to rain overnight. It's kind of heavy and it sticks to the shovel. My snowblower doesn't handle the wet stuff too well. It's like a 10 horsepower, I think. So it does pay to change the spark plug, because this was a 1 full start this morning. Well, all this snow brings out the kid in you, you know. You put your boots on. I got my cleats on. Got multiple layers of clothing. I put my coat on, put my gloves on, my hat. And then I gotta go to the bathroom. Just like being a kid again. So you gotta take all those layers of clothing off and your boots off. Go back in the house. But it wasn't that bad. Just under 4 inches, I guess. But the cold is coming. So this is New England gardening. Not too much gardening going on right now. Thanks for watching.